My name is Angelo Joshua Doriendo from the College of Industrial Technology. My question will be straight to the point. In the 20th Congress of Senate, there are 4 pairs of siblings. There are Cayetanos, Alan, and Pia. There are 2 Tulfos, Erwin and Rafi. There are 2 Estrada Ejercitos, JV and Jinggoy. And the last is the Villars, Mark and Camille Villar. They got the numbers since there are 24 senators. There are 8. They got the 1/3 of the Senate. My question is, how confident are you, Senator, that any form of an anti-political dynasty bill will pass through the minimum 3 readings in order for a bill to be a law in the Senate? And that will be all. To point out, it does extend not just in elected positions, but also in appointed positions. We got a Senator, Gatchalian, who also has a sibling as the DSWD Secretary. We got 2 Remulyas in DOJ and in DILG. The positions of these political families is so entrenched that I don't mean to be a pessimist, but I have little to no confidence that any form of an anti-political dynasty bill would be a law in this 20th Congress. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, man. I must say, I have rarely met a younger person who is less hopeful than me. Pero we're talking naman not about hope eh. Pinakamataas yun. We're talking about optimism and pessimism. I can't say yet na optimistic ako, but definitely I'm not pessimistic sa chances ng isang anti-political dynasty bill in this 20th Congress. I have to confess, as an older person here, I am actually hopeful. Why? Dun sa 8 na dynasts sa Senate, 2 ay authors ng anti-political dynasty bills. Senators JV and Erwin. And sila yung kwento ko sa inyo kanina na nung committee hearing, sabi nila, kahit member ako sa dynasty, gusto kong buksan ang political space sa lahat ng mamamayan. I am also hopeful kay in the House. Yeah, why don't we clap for those chances? We rarely get good chances. Diba? Kahit sa pagsugal, hindi sa pera ha, pagsugal sa ibang mga bagay, we don't always get good odds. But I think the odds in the Senate are good. Sa House, ang chair doon, si Chair Adjong. And nag-communicate kami, kaya we are doing our hearings, even our consultations, parallel. They have 22 bills there. So medyo nag-exchange notes kami ni Chair Adjong. We're both aware na dun sa priority legislative agenda ng executive, number 1 nakalista ang anti-political dynasty bill. So, when have we ever had a conjuncture na may ganitong mga openings? Seryoso ba? Hindi seryoso? Tignan natin. Patutuhanin natin silang lahat. And again, as several of our panelists have said, higit pa sa aming mga legislators, higit pa sa executive, the ball is really in the court of the citizens. Lalo na kayong mga organisado, involved, active citizens, lalo na kayong mga kabataan. So let's be the lightning na sinasabi ni Attorney Ortiz together.